Hello, this is Joan of Arc. It's a rainy day.
Kay kadulom. I turn on the light. Kay kadulom. Because it's dark. Kay para sanag. Because, although it doesn't make sense in English, because for it to be brighter. Okay.
There's a question here from one of our viewers. Christine Grace is asking for the Ilonggo word of because. Because in Ilonggo is simply kai. It's easy to remember. Several Ilonggo expressions also spring from the word kai. So how to use kai? Because nabasa kay nag-ulan. So got wet, nabasa kay because nag-ulan, it rained. So there's always a cause. So kay nag-ulan, kay nabasa. Because I'm lazy, kay tamaran ko, kay nalipay ko, kay naluyag. There's this funny expression about couples, falling in love. Like, how did they end up with one another? And they would say, kay naluyag, or because you chose me. Luyag is, well, of course, liking. But more than liking a person, it's choosing that person because you like that person. So it's luyag, naluyag. Kay naluyag because you chose me. Also, if something happens, like something stupid or something ridiculous happened to you, and avoiding the predicament could have been obvious, there's this expression, kay man, because, and you can't say how stupid he was, like blaming him. So, kay man, man. Although literally man means also, but in this case, this is just a cute little word that you add to kay man, to really emphasize how, how ridiculous or how stupid it is because of this certain indecision or wrong move. So because kay man, like, okay, you got a cold, you got under the weather, kay man nagpaulan, or because you let yourself wet in the rain. Kay man katunto, because you're so naughty. Kay man katigaulo, because you're stubborn, hard-headed. Tigaulo literally means hard-headed. Stubborn, kay man. Nga ana late? Why were you late? Kay nag-ulan, because it rained. Kay kadugay, kay kadamol sa ulan. I'll show you how wet it is today. Kay nag-ulan. That's why I'm stuck here in the car. Kay gaulan. Kay nanugid, because he told on her or him. Kay kalaway, because ugly, because he or she is ugly. Kay kagwapo, because he's handsome. Kay kagwapa, because she's pretty or beautiful. Well, this video was brought to you by Christine Grace. Kay, because she requested. Kay nag-ayo siya. So, Christine Grace, I hope you remember now the word for because. It's just kay, and several other expressions that go along with this little word kay. This is Joan of Arc, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye for now.